At the time of the Romans and Greeks, especially the Romans that were running the show at the time of Jesus, and even for the next 300 or so years, until Christianity became the religion of the realm, there were people in power. These are people who could order your death just like that. We're talking about real power. These people believed in gods. Not one, many. Some of them had a lot of gods. Some had just a few gods. But the concept they had about their gods was that their gods could be like human beings. They could be like other creations. They could be stars, planets. They could be anything. The evidence of what I'm saying right now you can find in the encyclopedia. Any encyclopedia, go look up the word Monday. Where did the word Monday come from? You'd be surprised. That was the day that in the Roman times, people who worshiped the moon could have the day off. The moon worshippers were off on Moon Day. It's not a joke. Read it. The following day, those who worship Zeus could get off of work. And what do we call it today? Zeus Day. Only we pronounce it Tuesday. Those, especially, and you studied a little about the religion of ancient Europe, you'll find that the people worshipped nature itself, especially the trees, with a heavy reference on a particular type of tree that was the evergreen tree. Their god was named Rudin. And our word in English, wood, today comes from wooden. And when people go, knock on wood, that is the reference that they got it from without knowing it today. That comes from a belief, a superstition, that if you knocked on wooden, he would give you good luck. This is a very serious thing in Islam because, you know, whoever follows these kinds of things called shirk, making partners with Allah, and it is an unforgivable sin. Just like people looking up their horoscope just for fun. The problem is that a lot of Muslims are falling for this stuff today. And when you don't realize, you're canceling your Islam. You're canceling even your salat. That's if you didn't believe it. If you do believe it, you need a new shahada. Just to look up your horoscope in the paper is enough to lose the value of your salat for 40 days. That's a hadith of the Prophet ﷺ. That's if you didn't believe it. If you gave it any credibility, oh wow, I'm going to get good luck today, guess what? You disbelieved in Allah. Therefore, you need to start all over. All your good deeds at that point were canceled.